Here I have a car seat with a base made by UPPAbaby Mesa V2. I am gonna install the base in the car. First thing, I need to disconnect carrier from the base by pulling this button up. And here's the base that I need to install. Once we determine where the car seat is gonna be, it can be on a passenger side or driver's side, but we decided we install it in the middle. We need to make this base level, and here is a sign, are we level or not? And to make it level, we need to push this middle button, and the base will go up and down like that. And then we need to work on this green. Once it's green, we are level, and that is how it needs to be. In this case, I'm done with leveling. Next step is to connect these anchors on each side, and in order to release them, I'll need to push these orange buttons. Okay, once we press the orange button, I need to pull this out and connect it to anchor here like that, and I need to go on the other side and do the same. Now I need to connect other anchor, and let us show here where are we connecting that. This is it, that is already in the car. We need to pull this out and connect it. We need to push orange button again, pull this anchor connector out and connect it again here, which is hard to see on this side, and that's it. To demonstrate how this hooks to the anchor, here is the hook on the car seat base, and it needs to connect to this anchor in the car that looks like this. And all we need to do is press button like I did earlier and hook it like that. Now we need to push the old seat into the seat to secure it, and how much we need to push and what is location that needs to be is this indicator, which will show green, and once we see green, that's secure. Then after that we will need to rock it back and forth, left and right, and see if his seat moving more than 1 inch, we need to push it more, and I'll demonstrate that. Okay, now I need to push this down, and I see green, and now I need to see, can I move it left and right, and I can't, so it's okay. But if you move left or right more than 1 inch, like I said earlier, we need to push it more and secure it, and that is all it takes to install the base. Now we can install carrier easy and use it as we are supposed to. Just to show this green indicator, that was red before I push it into seat, and it is now sturdy and safe. Now we can install the carrier. We just need to snap in, and we are ready to use it. Easy to install. It can have different options with the belts, and depends on which location we're using. There's manual to help us to decide what we want. This one is that we decided to do, and it takes a couple of minutes to do it. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, please ask. I'll be more than glad to answer them. Thank you for watching.